day's work, bro.
I know it.
Saws aren't made to go in dirt.
I know it.
How can be this sharp?
You can't just go and hit just a couple of the teeth. You got to hit all of the teeth. I've sharpened that thing 3 times today.
Now we just gotta wait 45 more minutes until he gets back.
You reckon I'm gonna get us off?
Yeah, you should.
What a beautiful day.
Alright, this morning we're heading over to a job site down the road. Guys got about 20 trees that are coming down. Some are still alive, some are dead. Some got some pine beetles in them, so we're gonna get them down, haul them off the property, and move on to the next job. Here's Kevin rolling in. Morning. Morning. There's one more boy that he's starting today. So he's supposed to be here in a minute. You're all over the place today.
What's up, man? I'm Ross. Nice to meet you, bud. I like that hoodie. What's up, man? Ross. Nice to meet you, bud.
Gunner, this is Langston.
Nice to meet y'all, man.
Cameraman 2, cameraman 3.
I see y'all. I can do it.
We'll let him push that here in a second.
All right.
So this is just a day's work, bro.
can be this sharp?
Well, you can't just go and hit just a couple of the teeth. You got to hit all of the teeth. Alright, we're gonna start on the cleanup here. Get this thing started up, we'll be on our way. Only thing I hate about this new cat is it takes so long for this computer to load up and to get your code put into it to get going. Outside of that, best machine I've ever had. Waiting on the fucking dumpster.
I thought you was waiting on me to come cook.
No. All nice and cleared out now though. I don't have to worry about no dead pines. What do you want?
What?
What do you want? You trying to go climb a tree again? This is my adventurer right here. He likes to get into shit. This one, not so much. He's more of a hang out and chill kind of dude. Going for the dirt. Saws aren't made to go in dirt.
I know it. Started off good there.
I've sharpened that thing 3 times today.
I mean, aw.
I bet this is dull though.
It's duller.
Enough, huh?
Yeah.
Enough times that you should know.
Let me hold this for a second.
Yeah. Get all that sawdust. Oh, you just got saved. Cameraman number 1 is here now. Mama done come drop him off. I bet you I have more ants and worms on here than anything else.
No, we weren't videoing the ants and worms.
Yeah, they're probably doing this. Oh, with the air? Let me get the sun.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Langston was looking that way, but Daddy was over there.
I don't know. I'm gonna start loading you.
Okay. All right, I'll just stay here. Okay.
Jump, let's go!
Now we just gotta wait 45 more minutes until he gets back.
It's fine. Hey, starting that grass too. Go ahead.
Good job,
Come
Gunner.
on, you workers. Get busy. Good.
Well, besides Langston, he's hitting trees with his rake.
He's raking. Leaving it here.
Oh, okay. I thought you were about to hook that bucket up. My bad.
Plus, I gotta go all the way to Marietta to go look at a house demo. And 2 more estimates that I gotta go do. All right, well, we gonna call it quits for the day. We're gonna come back first thing in the morning. Took a little bit longer than we expected for Kevin to get on the road and get the boxes dumped and come back. So we'll be back first thing in the morning. Took down about 18 trees over here. Gotta finish, you know, doing all like the cleanup over there, get it all in the dumpster. I got this one dead stub right here that we gotta cut it off, get it out of here.
Okay.
And then all the way over there by the mailbox is 2 more trees that got orange dots on them.
Okay.
But those are coming down. I reckon that I was gonna follow them towards that power pole right there.
Okay.
Get the one this way first and then lay them out.
Okay.
So, you can run a skid too.
Yep.
And everything?
Yes, sir.
You run a cat before?
I've never ran a cat, only Kubotas. Well,
Here we go.
Whole different controls. You're in for it.
is it really?
All
Like,
everything's different. The
dang.
only thing the same is a wobble stick.
Okay, that's the only thing I need.
Wobble stick's the same, but all your controls for your auxiliaries and stuff is different.
Yeah, I seen that. I looked in
You
there.
know how to sharpen a saw?
Yes.
Okay. These need sharpening.
Okay.
So why don't we start there? Military box normally has any of the tools that you're gonna need,
All right.
you know, as far as
Nice to meet you, Marshall.
you focus on grabbing like the rake or whatever, get the blower, whatever you need, and let's get started on some pickup over here. And I'll get started with the skid real quick and start loading that box.
Sounds good.
If you get done sharpening that right there, you can drop this pole right here and maybe just slice it in two, and I'll grab it and put it in the dumpster.
Yes, sir.
Got the second new boy. Kevin, go ahead and roll them windows up. Go grab a blower. All right, guys, we're back for day 2. We're gonna start cleaning up all the debris on the ground, get the last dumpster up out of here, and we'll be heading on to the next job here about lunchtime. Move it around the corner over here.
Pick up the box and put it around the corner, like on the road over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
The smaller you cut it up, the better.
Yeah.
So like cut it up 5 foot, 6 foot pieces. Any wise, cut the shit out of it.
Okay.
It's so much easier to stash it away in there.
Okay, just cut it up real good.
Which I mean, we can put that one on the ground real quick if you want to.
I tried to keep it out of the grass over there, but
We didn't do that bad.
Well, that was
that is
fast.
a nice boat. What else we got? Is that all the trees here?
For here, yeah. We just gotta get cleaned up, and then we're moving to another job.
Okay. You reckon I'm any good at it, Saul?
Yeah, you're good. Any of them like that's sticking out of the dumpster, like especially the stuff on the front and the side, just hit all that.
Okay.
Let's just go take a double look over here. I mean, I gotta smooth everything out. I gotta hop on this skid. We'll go hit this over here a little bit more while they're cleaning up on this side. Hopefully be about done at about the same time.
All right, all right.
You a head film man, huh?
Yeah.
This was the last of the trees here.
Sweet. He's gonna be a while.
I just want to get the customer out here and make sure we're good before I load.
Let me get
up
up all this trash.
Maybe grab a few of these, you know, bigger sticks right here and just chuck them in the woods.
What a beautiful day.
We got her all wrapped up here.
All right.
So everything's cut down, hauled off, cut the stumps down low. Got them two over there. Got the one
One right there.
stub over there.
How many loads did you have to haul off?
That's 5.
There's a lot of wood, wasn't it? So what do you do with the wood?
It all just goes to a mulch yard.
Mulch
They'll
yard?
grind it up and
Grind
dye
it.
it for mulch.
We're looking good.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you much.
If y'all need anything else, y'all give me a holler.
Well, how about in about a year, have your office manager give me a call. Let's see where we're at.
Okay. All right.
It may be something else. And in the meantime, something comes up with you know, emergency or something, I'll give you a call.
Right. Yeah, definitely. Hopefully we don't have too bad of a storm season this year, but all right.
All right, brother.
Well, thank you.
Take care.
You have a good one.
I'll get back with you on this other tree.
Sounds good. Maybe by then you might have a couple other things you might
Yeah,
want.
Joan will be done figured out.
Right. Well, you have a good one, sir. Dude, I weighed back and forth. I went between Kubota and this, and I was like, man,
Yeah.
fuck it. I'm just going with the cash.